Apple cider vinegar has been used as a healthy drink for thousands of years. Research shows how beneficial it can be for blood sugar levels. Adding apple cider vinegar to your diet also helps you in losing weight. Apple cider vinegar for weight loss is beneficial and you can incorporate it into your diet. Its consumption has seen an escalating trend in India as it was in the West. Apple cider vinegar is made with apples that are crushed and combined with yeast to convert their sugar with alcohol. Then a bacteria is added to ferment the alcohol into acetic acid. The vinegar contains potassium along with amino acids and antioxidants that promote health. It has to disinfect properties that can kill toxins and harmful bacteria thriving in the body. The fact also suggests that ACV is a potential weight loss drink. The health benefits of apple cider vinegar are aplenty. It helps in reducing belly fat and further helps in suppressing body fat buildup. Some ways in which you can use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Weight loss low-calorie drink. This drink can help boost weight loss. Adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a glassful of water and drinking this in the morning can help you with the fat. It helps you keep your body full. There are studies which tell us that apple cider vinegar for weight loss, and it works by making your body feel full for long hours. Blood sugar levels. 3 studies suggest that apple cider vinegar helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels after eating a meal high in carbohydrates. Stabilization of blood sugar levels are really important to ensure a healthy and effective weight loss. Do's and don'ts of how to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. 1. Apple cider vinegar cannot be consumed directly, instead dilute it first and use the solution. Do not consume it too much. 2. You can use apple cider vinegar for salad dressing with olive oil to help in weight loss. 3. The consumption of apple cider vinegar should be used in 3 to 4 doses throughout the day. 4. Occasionally usage of apple cider vinegar is safe, and excessive usage of apple cider vinegar may reverse the effects as it is highly acidic.